I want Mr. Bean come to the stage and share his experience also. He is the king of the warehouse. So please come to the stage and share your experience.
Okay, good evening, everybody. Okay, today we talking is 6 things. Okay, first one. Okay, bigger thank you, boss and madam. Give me chance take her to Toby working and see outside the world. Thank you. This was for me person life. Okay. Before I'm in China, only 8 years go to school. Okay, only 8 years. This time in China, only enjoy. So much mistake for my family and for me. This time I don't know, I don't understand how to learning can change my life in these fields. This time, master need double working, harder working, change my life. Age 15, I'm start go outside working for in China. What time I'm coming in Dubai, I'm 10 years working finish in China. Before 10 years, I'm in China do this working, okay, for garage. First time 5 years only for help, okay. No understand how to make a business, how to make it for life. After 5 years, I'm understand how to working, and if you want to make money and life, better you must need to working hard. Okay, you see this picture, okay? This is for night time, maybe 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, I'm in China to working. Okay, it's a second picture for this. I'm working finish making paint. This is maybe after 7 8 years. I'm do this job for garage. Okay, I don't know anything. Okay, don't know the English. When start working first time, I'm working to warehouse. After I go to Dragon Mart. Okay, thank you to Dragon Mart team with Army and after but to teach me some English in computer. Okay, every time I'm learn something for some people. Okay, coming to Dubai, I'm not understand so much. Where I'm working so much hard. Morning in warehouse, evening to in Dubai. Okay, no so much go to school. English no understand so much. I need more than another people more hard work in Dubai. Okay, for this some thinking. Okay, some people talking me some working. I'm try to same time can finish this job. If no finish, I keep my mind. Maybe second day I give the people answer. This is for me working. Okay, this one for warehouse. This is okay. First time coming to Dubai is where only to company only one warehouse. Okay, maybe 4 million, 5 million. Okay, this time is company have 2 warehouse, have more goods. Okay, second time maybe have 15 million in warehouse. For delivery time for me no have problem. Okay, every time can same time go to delivery. To this year, no need making so much mistakes for delivery time.